Hello, brothers and sisters. This is creation, logic, and reasoning. Camera. Can you bring the camera closer? I'm just moving my laptop. All right. I'm gonna explain how the moon would have left the Earth logically, and this proves that this is another fact. Logically, you could prove about how the world is 6,000 years old. Okay, this is the Earth. Keep over here. This is number one. This is the Earth. And then would be, you know how we get low tides and stuff from the ocean. This is number two. The law inverse of square law. The force of an attraction between two objects is inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. Basically, the law between this it separates them. And then here, third, if the distance is one square fourth of the force of the attraction between two objects is a times greater, 1/4 intervening into 3/4 squares times 2 would equal 9 times greater the gravitational force. And then down here, 4, if the moon was right here, the moon would have been closer to right here, and would have been closer right here. They would have been already next to each other. But if the world was billions of years old, the moon would have left us already, and we would have had no more tides. So this is the orbit around here, and the high tide around here, and the low tide in the moon. So you see the circular thing right here, it orbits around the Earth. The Earth's rotation, this is a fact alone, that the age of the Earth is less than 1 billion years old. This is basically says it right here. Because you can search up this law right here. The inverse law about right here. And if you want to look at the fact, it's just right here. The fact's right there. And then here's another fact. So if you want to do your math, it's right here. Right there. And then the recession of the moon would be like right here, like I said, if it was 1 billion years old, and then right here, and then today, it would have left us already a long time ago. This proves that the world is 6,000 years old, because you have two forces. Say I'm going to explain with. See if there's anything I can explain with. All right, I'm just going to use these two markers. Say this is the Earth and this is the moon. Little by little, science tells us they would have left and left and left and left and left, etc. Would have left. But since we have the gravitational pull that gets around the moon, and then we gotta have right here the moon right here for the tides. So basically, you could just look it up. This is just a common creation fact of proving that the world's 6,000 years old. God bless. You could comment on below if you want, but whatever, make it of appropriate comments. And if it's negative, I'm not going to respond to them. God bless.